Welcome back to a new video here on the channel.
Due to technical difficulties, the audio did not turn out the way Mr. Lumberjack intended. He is very sorry. Unfortunately, shit like this sometimes happens with GoPros.
Today we are going to go down to the headquarters, the huvudkvarter in Robertsfors, where the Åströms åkeri that I work for has their main facility, their main building, and me and Nicklas, we're gonna do like a checkup on the truck before the inspection, besiktning that I will go to at 15:00 today, 3 o'clock. So stay tuned for more action. Oh yeah, and I can tell you that I'm driving Nicklas Volvo 245. It's a classic. On Nicklas 245. It's a if you brake, that happens. Craziness, I tell you. Closing in on Robertsfors, which means Roberts Stream or something like that. It's 20 minutes away from Högsilje, where the truck that I drive is stationed, placerad. So when there's stuff to do on the truck, and we always go down to the place. Now we are entering Robertsfors. And here's the place. No Nicklas inside. Need to take a look at the paint job. Look at this. Patina. And here comes Simon. Even got a kiss. Yeah. Beautiful. No one at the fika place. Swedish fika place. Conny. Hello, Simon. Here we can see that this is the car that our boss drives, because he needs to have like a CTI thing to get where he wants. Right. Yes. And here he comes, the tiny boss. Where's the big boss?
In the garage.
This is Conny. He wants to get in contact with all the females if you're interested. Doesn't matter how you look or how you smell. So yes,
Fine.
fine.
Yes.
Yes, a lot of yes. Waiting for Nicklas, me and Conny took a raggarrunda in his Audi. Listen to this. Oh, fy fan has arrived. Hola, señor.
Hola.
Här är det för fan. Are you with me?
Oh.
Han snör bara.
Det är här på.
Ja, gör det beredd.
Oh.
Ska jag gå och hämta en manuell. Så. Någonting gick av.
Bolten.
Ja, vad bra. Jo. Ja.
Ja.
Ja, jävlar. Det är som gjort för att knäcka fingret. So, the big boss, Kjell-Arne. That's Jakobs dad. Va? Ja, men du, då feria. Jag ringer åt den här besiktaren. Okay, off to the inspection place, Ånäset. Ånäset besiktning station place. I'm just gonna go in and give the truck to them and get back to you and let you guys know how it went. This is how it looks. Yep. Checking the brakes. All we can do is wait and hope for the best. That went well. Like a brake control thingy and a paper that oh wait, says that the vehicle is approved. So that's nice. We can drive one more year. That was it for this week's episode. So I'll see you in the next video.